find your client. 1 minute.
Okay, we're on YouTube.
Okay, we're on YouTube. All right, Ms. Criswell's client's on page 2. His name is Padilla. I have his paperwork on my screen. Hold it up. Okay. Mr. Padilla.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Let me see. Let me see if I can pull this up. And let's see. All right, now. All right, I need to share my screen. Okay. All right, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is your name David Padilla?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same David Padilla who in this cause number 2025 CC 001672, who is charged with the offense of criminal trespass of
Yes, sir.
property? Is that you?
Yes,
This
sir.
case is a class. Okay, this case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. Hold on. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain?
Yes, Judge. We're asking for a $0 fine, court costs, 43 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Criswell?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Padilla?
Yes.
And Mr. Padilla, the court, having heard you plead of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs I sentence you to 43 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know, Ms. Criswell, if this is the only case holding your client?
That is my understanding at this time, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies we are finished with your case, and Ms. Criswell, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so what else is happening so far?
Corby's out.
Okay, Ms. Corby, what's going on with your guy?
Judge, we're ready. At first, we thought it was going to be deferred, but it's actually going to be a JSAT on Anthony Orban on the unlawful carrying TIC, the tampering.
Okay, he's got a tampering and unlawful carrying. The tampering is going to be TIC. You're telling me, and he's going to plead under the unlawful carrying, right?
Yeah, and the other one has the probation paperwork, but just please disregard it. It's just going to be
Okay.
that.
In the meantime, we have Ms. Valenzuela out. Can we put her in a breakout room? What's happening?
She was already in the breakout room, Judge.
I need to go back to my breakout room. Let me,
Okay, just move yourself back to one.
okay, let's see if I can.
In the meantime, let me see if I can find paperwork for Mr. Orban. Okay, Mr. Orban's paperwork. Is I have the 86 paperwork out there, okay. Okay, so I'm waiting for Mr. Orban to come in front of the camera. Okay. Deputies, can I get Mr. Orban in front of the camera? So this is not going to be a probation case, Mr. Corby?
No, Judge, apparently you already made a plea with the felony for a JSAT.
Okay. Well, too bad, Ms. Valverde, you're not going to get to do all the paperwork. Sorry.
You know, she really wanted to do that.
Yeah, I know she did. Okay, Mr. Orban, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, hold on a minute. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Anthony Orban?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Anthony Orban who in this cause number 2024 CC 005886 who's charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, I do, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
No, you entering your plea then of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is one?
Yes, Judge, we're asking for a $0 fine, court costs, 23 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that that judgment be satisfied. We are
That is-
also
Sorry.
taking into consideration cause number 2024 CC 739744 in association with this plea.
And is that to understand the plea bargain, Ms. Corby?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Orban?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Orban, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 23 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2024 CC 739 744. That means that case will be taken into will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. And Ms. Lopez, I'll ask you to get me that dismissal before the end of the Zoom meeting today, so he doesn't get stuck in jail. Okay?
I already sent it, Judge.
You already did it. Wow, that's great. Efficiency is wonderful. Okay, then tell the deputies if this is the only case holding you, sir, then if this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today. Good luck to you. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Judge, real quick. Sir, you're still on felony probation and you know who your officer is and have all that information, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make sure to get a hold of him.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank
Good
you.
luck, Anthony. Judge, is it going to be a while before the bond hearings? You think?
Well, we don't have much of a docket today. This is, let's see, we got two more cases to do, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more cases to do. So I would think you have at least 15, 20 minutes.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I'll just hang
Okay.
loose.
Okay. I would hope. That depends on the lawyer showing up. You know, you can never tell. How much?
Morning,
Karen,
Attorney
how much time did you want
Martinez.
to take?
Morning.
Never mind. Okay,
I'll-
Mr. Martinez.
Mr. Martinez, do you have an offer?
I don't. I need to confirm if I may.
Okay, Judge, can I put him with Ms. Lopez?
You may. Room 6.
Yes.
Karen,
Put him
how
yourself.
long do you think it'll be?
Excuse me, Judge?
How long do you think it'll be before you need it?
For me?
Judge,
Yeah.
I can text her when we're ready.
Oh, I'm fine, whatever. I mean, I can either stay on and wait, or you guys can text me either way.
Why don't we text you? That way you won't be waiting around. Maybe
All
you
right,
can do
thank you.
something effective in the meantime. Okay?
Appreciate it. Okay, bye.
Okay. Mr. Hendrickson,
Yes, Judge, how are you doing?
I'm fine. What's going on with you?
My client is not going to be accepting the offer this morning, Judge.
Okay, so no agreement sent back, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Okay, then you can be
Want
excused.
me
Thank you.
Mr. Henriksen, do you want me to reset this for a later date, next week sometime?
Yeah, let's reset it for a week, for I guess for next week sometime.
Okay, let me give you a date.
Just take a seat, though, just right here, put the headset on so they can.
Would you like next Monday on the 12th?
I'm not available next Monday. Could we do? Let me check real quick.
You take a seat on the reach.
Could we do the 13th on Tuesday?
Our dockets on Tuesdays, they're kind of
yeah.
big because of immigration docket. Do you want to do it
Okay.
Thursday?
Let me
I
check
mean, I'm sorry,
Thursday.
Wednesday. Can you check Wednesday?
Yeah, let's do Wednesday. That'll work out.
Okay, so I'll reschedule you for Wednesday, May 14th.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I see somebody at the bench. Is that your client, Ms. Valenzuela?
Believe so, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on, let me see if I can find him on my paper docket.
You should have
Judge,
two cases.
Okay, let's see. Come on, okay, that's gonna be Mr. Torres, right? And Mr. Torres
Yes.
pleaded both cases, or was one being TSE?
He has to plead to both cases, Your Honor.
Pleaded both, and he's got, let me see. Got a criminal mischief as a B and a criminal trespass, which is a B. Do we still have the prosecutor in the breakout room?
Yeah, she's in breakout room 6.
As soon as we get the prosecutor out of the breakout room, we'll take your plea, okay?
All right, yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir, can I tell you something real quick? The van didn't hit.
I'm sorry, sir. I suggest you don't say anything without advice of your client, your lawyer, because whatever you say can be held against you or used against you.
All
right? So just hold on until we get this plea ready to go. If it has nothing to do with your case, you can ask me a question, but I probably won't know the answer anyway, but go ahead.
If I could get some paperwork that I'm going home.
Okay. Again, I don't know the answer to that question.
All right.
If you have a plea bargain that involves time served, then probably you'll be let out sometime today if you don't have any other cases holding you. That's all I can tell you. How long it'll take, I have no idea. All right? Okay. So does anyone know who the coach for the Spurs is going to be? Have they announced that on television yet?
It's
It-
Mitch. It's
Huh?
the interim coach.
Yes.
But is he going to be the permanent one?
Yes, he's the
Yes.
permanent one.
Oh, I don't even know the guy's name. I'll have to look it up.
Mitch something.
Big shoes to step into.
He sure is. It's Mitch Johnson, Judge.
It's Johnson. Huh.
He was an assistant for 10 years.
Really? Well, I
Mhm.
should know how it works.
Judge, Attorney Orlando Velasquez, page
Uh-huh.
1. He said he'll log on at 9:15.
Okay. Okay, waiting on Mr. Martinez. Give him about 5 more minutes. I'm going to ask you to stick your head in there and tell him, please hurry up. Okay? Maybe in about 5 minutes.
Okay, Judge.
What? Over there. What? He said no.
Okay, can you go stick your head in there, Debbie, and say that, the judge has a plea ready? Could you please hurry up?
Yes, Judge. Okay, Judge, they should be coming on.
Okay. Mr. Martinez is out of the breakout room. Mr. Martinez, what's happening with your case?
Your Honor, we're waiting to hear back from the home court ADA. So we're pending an offer.
Okay. In the meantime, then, can I take this plea on this, Mr. Let me see.
Torres.
Mr. Torres? Okay, and Mr. Torres is pleading on both cases, correct?
Correct.
Let me find this paperwork on my screen in a minute. They're both B, so it doesn't matter which one I pull up. Here, Mr. Torres, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Thomas Torres?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Thomas Torres with this cause number 2025 CC 002337, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value of having between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you also the same Thomas Adam Torres, who in cause number 2025 CC 002338, who in that case is charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Both of these cases are Class B misdemeanors, and it's possible in each one of these cases that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with in each one of these two cases and what the possible punishment could be in each one of these two cases?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have filed in both of these cases. You signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed these documents, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have filed this in both cases.
Yes, sir.
You have signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain them to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand them?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document, please. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you have filed this in both cases. You've signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed these documents, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal in cause number 2025 CC 002337, to the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750, In that case, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Or no contest.
In cause number 2025 CC 002338, where you're charged with criminal trespass, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to any of these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains, that's your lawyer got for you. Besides that, if somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this, besides the plea
No, sir.
bargains, all right, are you doing these pleas then of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Are there plea bargains here? Can I ask the state to please decide? If it's the same, you can just do it once.
Yes, Judge, it's the same in both cause numbers. We're asking for a $0 fine, court costs, 93 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that both judgments be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Ms. Valenzuela?
Yes, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Torres?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Torres, in cause number 2025 CC 002337, where you're charged with the offense of criminal mischief as a Class B misdemeanor. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 93 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, I've done one set of paperwork. I have to do the other set of paperwork, so just hold on 1 minute, please. Now looking for the other paperwork on Mr. Torres. Where we go? Okay, then in cause number 2025 CC 002338, where you charge a criminal trespass, the court having heard you plead no contest in that case, the court on that plea finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 93 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run current, the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Valenzuela?
I believe so. Yes, Your Honor.
If these are the only cases holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today, okay? Good
Can
luck
I
to you.
ask you a question real quick?
Yes, sir.
There was a truck case that I had before this one, but I already finished the time, but it keeps on popping up on the computer that I have a warrant when I get out. I don't know why it's doing that.
I'm sorry, I don't know anything about that. All right.
All
All I
right.
know is that these cases don't hold you anymore.
All
So
right,
if
okay.
these are the only cases holding you, you should be released.
All right,
Now,
thank you, sir.
that other warrant, I have no control over that.
All right, yes, sir. All right,
Good luck to you.
all right, yes, sir.
And Ms. Valenzuela, thank you. You can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so then let me go back to the paperwork and let me see if I can, okay. All right, Ms. Lopez, I don't have that dismissal that you said you sent me, okay? It's not on my screen.
It says that I sent it, let's see, because I got,
It should have been sent to jail court judge, I think. Is that, Debbie, is that the address it should have been sent to?
No, it should be sent to,
Bear-
yeah, where did you send it, Lopez?
the Bexar County Jail Court at gmail.com and then the county jail court at bear.org.
Okay. It was,
Yeah, that's correct.
It says it's sent to 8:54.
hold on, look, I'll share my screen with you.
That's it or what?
Okay, if you see my screen, I'm not seeing a dismissal here anywhere.
Let me forward I can try to forward the link to it because it
Let
CCs me. Let me
refresh
see.
my screen, see if anything
Yeah.
happened.
Judge, are you on judgecanales@gmail.com?
No, I'm on the
Bear County? Okay.
Bexar County.
Maybe refresh it. Can you refresh it?
I have refreshed it.
Oh.
Nothing's going on.
Deborah, may I get a breakout room with Mr. Rolando Munoz to do paperwork?
Yes, one moment.
And Jeffrey, I'm doing the discovery for you right now too.
Okay. Maybe your computer doesn't like my computer. Maybe that's it.
I tried to forward it again, Judge. Let's see if it comes through.
And the screen I'm sharing with you right now is Bexar County Jail Court at Bexar County.
I just forwarded to that one.
Okay, I've just got the motion to dismiss. Yay. Let me see. Why is this weird thing happening here? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe sign in here. Let's see. Okay. You see my screen? It's not letting me sign. Why is that?
Oh, you know what? I think I added Karen on there for signature, but she's not supposed to sign it, so she may have to. I think it was waiting for Karen. Let me just send it
Okay.
again, but this time it'll do it without. It
Okay,
won't have Karen on there.
I'm gonna just trash this for right now.
Okay.
This is not the way I normally get stuff. I just want you to know this is kind of odd.
Yeah. Let me resend it right now. I'll just redo it.
Hey, Velasquez.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Do you have an offer?
I believe I received an offer yesterday from the state. Let me just confirm that that it is an actual offer.
Okay.
Yes, from Jordan. And this one has an ISOld as well.
You gonna need an interpreter?
For the offer. I can talk to them, but I would say just for the actual offer. But if there is one available, they're welcome to come into breakout.
Okay, so you ready for a breakout room with your client?
Yes, so I can present the offer. Good morning,
Okay.
Judge.
Good morning.
All right.
Okay, I got a plea packet on Rolando Munoz on my screen, which is Jeffrey Martinez's case. Mr. Martinez, are you around? And I got that dismissal. Let me see if that the dismissal came in. Hold on, Mr. Martinez. I'm trying to sign a dismissal and it's not loading for me right now. All right, let me take Mr. Martinez's plea. Oh, here it comes. Here we go. Look forever to load. Today being the 5th Cinco de Mayo. Okay, I've signed the dismissal, Ms. Lopez. Okay, so now I'm looking now for paperwork on Mr. Martinez's case would be Rolando Munoz. Okay, Mr. Munoz, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. Thank you.
All right.
Is your name Rolando Munoz?
Yes, sir.
You're the same Rolando Munoz who in this cause number 2025 CC 003129, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled, sorry, I should have told you. This document's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on the plea of no contest, this court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you entering this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain?
Yes, Judge, we're asking for a $0 fine. Court costs, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Martinez?
Yes, sir.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Munoz?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Munoz, the court having heard your plea no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. Follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. Sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Martinez?
I believe it is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. All right?
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Thank
Tell
you.
the deputy that we're finishing your case, and Mr. Martinez, you can be excused. All
Thank
right?
you. Thank you for swearing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so what's happening?
Judge, on John Garcia's case on page 1, I've
Yep.
emailed him twice, texted him twice, called him once on the jail court phone and on my phone, and he has not responded. Can I reappoint his case? It's a criminal
Sure.
trespass. He's been in there
Yes, you can.
26. Okay.
Yeah, you
Karen?
sure can.
Let me check to see if there's an offer, because as of yesterday, there wasn't. So let me check to see if there even is an offer on this one.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Mhm. Looks like I don't see an offer in there. Let me text the home court prosecutor real quick to see if she knows, if she has an offer in mind. Let me see.
Okay, thank you, because it is a criminal trespass with 26 days in.
Yeah, that's why I was kind of, let me text her real quick. Sorry,
Okay,
let me
thank you
text
so
her.
much.
Yeah, because if we don't have an offer, then there's no sense in appointing someone. We'll just reset it. Okay.
Also, I just wanted to say on that TIC for Anthony Orban, the
Uh-huh.
case number is wrong on that dismissal. So I'm
Okay.
wondering if it could be
Can you correct it? George?
resend. Let me see if I can.
It's the 2024 CC one.
Yes, yeah,
739744.
correct, yeah. It's not allowing me to correct it, so
And can you just trash it? Mr. Lopez, can you send me another one? Okay.
Yes, I can do it right now.
thank you.
Mr. Velasquez, what's going on with you?
And Judge, I conferred with my client. All things considered, he understands the ISOL, the immigration implications. He has accepted the state's offer for 36 J7.
Okay. Have you done the paperwork with him?
And that's what I was going to request, Your Honor. I did receive the discovery acknowledgement, which I just completed right now by the state. I just need the plea paperwork.
Well,
Okay.
I sent it. Let me send you a reminder. Do you need the interpreter in there with you on the paperwork or no?
Yes, let's go ahead and put one in there just in case.
Okay, I'm gonna send you a reminder on the paperwork.
Okay.
Also, on the Mr. Garcia's case, there is an offer. It's the JSAT offer. So, we
Okay.
have an offer on that one now.
So we can
Okay,
appoint-
great.
we can appoint
Thank you so
somebody.
much. Karen Corby, Miss Corby,
Yes, ma'am.
can you take a
Yes
case?
and yes.
Yes and
Yes,
yes,
please.
thank you.
you.
I'll send you the paperwork on that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see.
And it looks like Kristen's gonna send the paperwork for yours, Karen. On the discovery.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'm doing the discovery paperwork on a Munoz right now. I'm signing it. But as far as that other dismissal, I still haven't gotten it, Ms. Lopez.
I'm typing it up right now, Judge.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Lopez, I'm signing that paperwork on Orban again. Maybe. That's May.
Attorney Velasquez, I just sent you the paperwork. Oh, my bad.
Okay, I'm just submitting the dismissal on Orban. Okay.
Morning.
Good morning, Arlene.
Good morning.
Morning.
Here, okay, she's already been put in the breakout room.
Your paperwork's come in, Karen. Sorry, the audit, this Adobe is keeps spinning.
No worries.
Okay, it's official. My leg is now a popsicle. This ice package. I did it in a popsicle and not feeling any pain.
Okay, Karen, I just sent the paperwork.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Jordan, this is Deborah.
Yes, ma'am.
On the parents came Arbonne, was that 23 days credit for time served?
Yes, ma'am. On 2025 CC 005-886, 23 days.
That was 22 days. That's what I have on my paperwork.
Okay, thank y'all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Deborah, can you give me the SID number on that guy, please?
Yes, it is 689-758.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for resubmitting that dismissal.
Hey, Deborah, do you know what court Clarence Laird's out of?
Yes, he is out of County Court 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So basically, we're waiting on two cases. Jose Diaz, Jose Gonzalez Diaz, and Clarence Laird. Am I right about that, Debbie?
Yes, Judge.
Uh,
Karen, you can move to breakout room 2 when you're ready.
Okay, thank you. I'm almost done with my end of the paperwork.
Okay, you're welcome. Judge Jennifer's here for the bonds.
Okay. Jennifer,
Yes, good morning, Judge.
good morning. Can I go over the bond docket with you?
Yes, you may.
Okay. Number one on my docket is Joshua Albright. I have not handled.
Yes, Judge.
Number two
Released on bond.
on bond. Number three, refused interview. Number
Correct.
four, not handled. Number five,
Released on bond.
wow. Number six, not handled. Number seven.
7 through 10, Judge, should all be here.
So 7, 8, 9, and 10 should be there. 10, I'm sorry, then 11 refused the interview.
Yes,
12 was not handled, correct?
correct.
Okay, 12 not handled, 12 not handled, 13 not handled. 14,
14 and 15 should be here.
16 not handled.
Correct.
17 and 18.
Should be here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, all right. So we're still waiting on two cases, so we're gonna ask you to wait just a little bit more, if you don't mind.
Not a problem, Judge.
It looks like they're gonna take a lot of time, then we'll start on the bonds, but hopefully they'll be quick.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Yes, Judge.
And Judge Karen Corby is the attorney of the day.
Yeah, she can't do it because she's taking a plea for us, so never mind.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay, thank you.
Is there a felony bond docket or just misdemeanor today?
Just misdemeanors.
Okay. Just making sure I wasn't missing an email.
No, it's just
And we
misdemeanors.
don't do felony bonds anymore.
No,
Oh, okay.
I stepped on somebody's toes and there you go.
Okay. Sounds good. I mean, yeah, shorter docket then.
Judge,
Yes.
we start the PR bond. This is gonna be number 8 and number 14.
Okay. The rate 14 will be out of order. Okay. I'll try and remember that, but you'll have to tell me again. You know
I'll
that,
tell you
right?
again. Yes, sir, I got it.
We're ready.
Karen is ready on Mr. Laird, I think.
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on, let me pull up that paperwork. Okay. Can we get Mr. Laird in front of the camera, please? Mr. Laird, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I affirm.
Okay, thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. Is your name Clarence Laird?
Yes.
Are you the same Clarence Laird who in this cause number?
Yes.
Reading 2025 CC 005671 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property. Is that you?
Yes.
Jordan, can you change that top number there and correct it? There's an extra zero where it should be. It should be 2025.
Yes, sir, I will.
This case, criminal trespass is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to a maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from a minimum of $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed, that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that right?
Correct.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes.
You understand? Has anybody forced you to do this?
No.
Besides the plea bargain, that's your lower gap for you. Besides that, somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this.
No.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide it if there is?
Yes, Judge, we're asking for a $0 fine, court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Corby?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Laird?
Yes.
Mr. Laird, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Corby?
I believe it is, Judge. She said it is.
Okay, if this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, all right? Good luck. Tell the deputies that we are finished with your case, and you can be, oh, Ms. Corby, you cannot be excused because you're still going to do our report. So hold on, don't go away.
Good luck, Mr. Laird.
Okay, and let's see.
Thank you, Karen.
We got Mr. Velasquez. And because it is a state speaker, I'm wondering if maybe we ought to do the bond docket while he's working on it. What do you think, Debbie?
Judge, Alex said the guy, Mr. Velasquez Klein is ready, but
Oh,
they're
is
still
it?
in the breakout room,
Let me look at,
the interpreter and the attorney.
Judge, they should be ready, Judge.
let me look at the paperwork. Hold on 1 minute.
Okay, they're out, Judge. They're out of the breakout room.
Okay, the paperwork I'm looking for is Gonzalez Diaz, and yeah, I have it up here. Okay.
Can you do the interpreter button, Judge? Or who's doing
Yes,
it?
hold on 1 second.
Oh, I do.
Okay.
Do I do the interpreter button, Judge?
No, I don't know if you do, but I know I have to. The dreaded interpreter button that you always have to push
Yes.
for David, so she just gets bent out of shape. Let me
Alex
see.
Valverde, do I do the interpreter button
Happy
here?
Monday.
Am I-
Let me
how
go
come I'm
over
not
there,
seeing the
David.
interpretation button on
Come on, rookie.
Hold on.
Is it
What?
Arlene? Yes, okay.
Yes.
I mean, normally I have an art. Oh, here we go. Here's my here's my interpretation button.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I did not finish reviewing the defendant's waiver of constitutional rights with him. I only got up to paragraph 6. And I don't know if we want to do that on the record, if you want me to go back and do that with
Oh,
him.
you need to go back and do that with him.
Yes.
All right. Sorry.
Go back 3. I'm sorry. Go back over there.
So never mind. Let's start on the bond docket. And Miss
Judge.
Abrams, you may have to go back in that breakout room with him.
I think she set it up.
Hold on, let me see.
Okay, Miss Corby, can we start on the bonds while they're
Miss
doing?
Arlene, can you move yourself to breakout room?
Judge, I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready whenever you are. I'm good.
Okay. I mean, you told me we had to do somebody out of order, and I don't remember who it was. What number?
14, Judge, you ready?
Number 8.
Judge,
Yes.
Judge, can I interrupt? The interpreter, I need to move her out of the,
Okay. Go ahead.
I need to move her out and then put her back in. The, one moment, Miss Art. Okay, wait. Now I need to put you back in 3.
In the meantime, Debbie, can you take us off YouTube?